Gentlemen. We are here in New York City, Enginezilla, and the rain is about to come down soon once again, so this is a day for the GoPro Hero 7 Black, shooting in 4K. One of my guys wrote me on Instagram that he is still hearing this, or he watched my video on the empty tin can sounds that I'm getting in Enginezilla after I post this muffler delete. He's telling me he got his, or he's having his, and he does not have a muffler delete. So we're gonna see if we can mimic that right now. And he's telling me in sport mode he doesn't usually get it, but he gets it when he's in street mode, or I guess just default. So let's just see if we can mimic this. It seems that I'm getting this sound when I'm near like a wall. As you can see here, this wall right here. When I'm next to a wall, I can hear it. So right now I'm in the lowest mode. Give me a minute, guys. All right, just had to do that. So as traffic starts to slow down, which will happen soon, she won't be as angry as she sounds now. She'll be a lot more quiet, and we can hear. We'll try to mimic that sound that I let you guys hear a few days ago, a few vlogs ago. But let's just see what happens with that. All right, so I got her in street right now. Didn't even realize I was in eco mode. Let's take her out of eco mode. So out of eco mode right now. Wow, that's pretty good. All those aggressive sounds you guys just heard right before this, I was still in eco mode as I was on the highway. I didn't even realize it. So we're in street right now, and we will see if we can hear this coming up here. There it is. Slight one there. There was another one. There it is. Now let's take her out, put her in sport, and let's just do the same thing. Yeah, I still hear it. There it is. I still hear it. There it is. So it does not matter for me if I'm in street. I still hear it. You know, it's that ever so slightly, just like a rattling sound. I mean, no matter what. So mine clearly still did it no matter what. And I'm in sport, as you can see right now. So had the back window down for you a little bit just so you can kind of hear. And it still happens. I still get it. Not sure if it picked up on camera, but I can hear it with my ear. And I'm telling you right now, I still had that sound. It drives me nuts too. I think you said it drives you crazy. It is driving me insane. So I will see if any other people come out and tell me they hear it even when they're in sport, you know. So I was still hearing it. I was feathering the throttle like how I know how to do, and it was still giving me that sound. So there's that test. For me, no matter what mode I'm in, I didn't try track mode, but I'm almost positive it's gonna be the same thing in track mode. And like I said, you can hear it more when you're next to like a wall, you know, and you can kind of like get that sound to echo, to bounce off of that wall, and you can hear that little tingling, you know, metal tin can sound that he is also hearing. So that's why I say it boils down to just the muffler delete. You know, he was saying that he is getting that sound and he does not have a muffler delete. So I don't know, maybe I just never really paid attention to it before, and it was doing that before I got the muffler delete. But you know, it's kind of too late now for me to kind of do that testing, because the muffler delete is already here. But long story short, guys, keep an ear out. I don't know if it's just 392 guys with a muffler delete or if it's Hellcat guys. I'm not really sure. But tell me if you can find or hear that sound that I'm hearing that I did in that video. I'll put a card up. right, guys, so there you have it. That is the testing that I did for my guy. He watches my videos and he's following me on Instagram, so keep me posted if you can figure out. Some people are telling me it's the MDS. I don't know. I've never heard that before. I don't recognize hearing it before. Maybe because I had the muffler and it was muffling that sound of the changing of whatever's happening with the MDS system. I'm not sure, but definitely something to keep your ears out for and keep me posted. And I will see you guys in the next one. And that's gonna be a wrap.